according to this train schedule, boys, the train stops in Prankstown at 1 p.m. And that's when we'll board the train for the robbery. What'd he say?
He wants to know how much gold is on a train and how many guards are there and which train is the gold in.
Hey. Hey, say, aren't you the saloon girl that Gibber in here was courting?
He told me his name was Frank, and it's a good thing for him I got my gold back. Because we talk me all you want, Frank, but it's over.
You understood him?
Hey, wasn't that the saloon girl that Gibber was trying to swindle? Fellas, how you doing? Hey, Bart, I was looking for you over to the jail, but you weren't there.
Well, yeah, the sheriff had some business in Grockshire, so he let me out early. He didn't want any prisoners at the jail while he was gone.
Well, that explains why he wasn't home when I went over to his house.
You went to the sheriff's house?
Oh, yeah. I thought I'd go over to the sheriff's house and borrow the cell keys and let you out early myself.
Well, I really doubt that the sheriff would have just given you the cell keys one eye.
Well, that's why I waited till I was pretty sure he wasn't home and before I went over there and borrowed them from him.
Something smells good. It's making me hungry.
What did he say?
Oh, he says he smells freshly baked chocolate chip cookies like his mom used to make. And he's right. Got some right here. Look at this. Nice. Yeah. Right there. Yeah. Get that out there. Yeah, there you go.
Where did you get those?
Oh, when I was over to the sheriff's office, this fella come in, calls himself the Alphabet Chef, and he made his batch of freshly baked chocolate chip cookies for him, the sheriff. Yeah.
Isn't that the guy that goes around spelling and defining words? He sounds like a weirdo.
Weirdo! That's exactly what I said. Anyways, I borrowed 3 cookies from him. Only the problem is I'm not sure how I'm going to give them back to him after they're at.
Well, we'll help you out with that there, one eye. See, we'll help you eat them, so you don't have to worry about replacing them.
That's better. That's why I keep a hanky in my pocket at all times. Use it every day. Allergies and such. Oh, wait. False alarm. Just a hair.
Gentlemen, anything else I can get for you tonight before I gotta go?
You seem to be knocking off a bit early there, aren't you, Sam?
That's right. Ben Weaver's gonna take over for me. I've got to get on home and get cleaned up for the Hoedown tonight.
The Hoedown?
You know, the dance they're having tonight down at the old McPherson's barn. Are you boys going?
What do you think, boys? Should we go to this Hoedown tonight? Yeah. Well, I guess we're going, Sam.
Okay, boys. Then we'll see you tonight, then.
Well, nothing wrong with a little socializing before the big old train robbery. Hey, let's go back to the hideout, and we'll get cleaned up and head over to this here Hoedown. Well, this is a nice change, boys. You know, getting out and mingling with the common folk. What'd he say?
Oh, he said, yeah.
You know, it makes me sort of think about going straight.
You hear that? Bart here, thinking about dancing with the ladies. Yeah.
I'm giving up a life of crime. You know, but then I look at couples like Lips and Zelda Lanahan. Brings me right back down to reality.
Oh, what was that for?
That was for the comment about the dancing with the ladies.
Oh, fellas, Jimmy, look who just walked in. It's that saloon girl you were taking up with.
And look who's with her.
Ah, speak of the devil, it's Zelda Lonahan. Careful, boys. She may have brought her magic stick with her. I wouldn't worry about it, Gibbering. I mean, if she brought her magic stick with her, we'll make sure she doesn't put a horse tail on you like she did the last time.
You know, Bart, the sheriff, he made us give up our guns at the door. Maybe he made her give up her magic stick.
Why, did it ever occur to you that the sheriff doesn't even know that she has a magic stick at all?
Hey, Bart, don't look now, but they're both coming over here.
Yeah.
Well, 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 look who we have here. Good thing I didn't catch you the last time I saw you.
Oh, is that right? Well, it's lucky for you that we're faster runners.
Oh, that's all in the past. Tonight, we have fun. Can you dance as fast as you can run?
Yeah, but I don't think your husband Lips would approve.
Oh, Lips, he won't mind. He's over there playing the piano tonight.
Any of you boys care to dance? Not you, Frank. I don't dance with backstabbing swimmers.
Well, yeah.
Oh, quit your belly, and no one here wants to hear your life story.
What, you understood him?
Come on, Seabiscuit, let's see what you got.
Shall we?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Hey, Gutless, can you dance?
Not really.
Neither can I. Let's go give it a try.
Hold it, hold it. Lips!
Yes, Sugar Plum.
Pick it up a notch.
Anything you want, Buttercup.
And make it interesting.
Coming right up, my puddle of love. Woman tries me. Let me cut my hair. I hate to be tried.
Seabiscuit. You tore it up out there.
Yeah.
Don't you go correcting me. I'm gonna go get my wand to teach you some respect. I'll be right back.
Don't touch me, Frank.
Oh. Yeah. Hey, get that filthy, nasty thing out of here. Come on, boys. We got us a robbery to plan.
Just when you think they can't get any stranger.